In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make faceless YouTube videos step by step without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using ChatGPT and Canva. Okay, so I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and start making money with YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you need to do, you need to open an account on ChatGPT like this one. Then what you need to do next is we need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. So if you make YouTube video about one of those topics that I'm gonna show you now, make sure that you will get views, subscribers, and you can grow fast by using this method. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search over here and ask question. I'm gonna ask how to be, for example, how to be, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, people are searching for how to be rich, how to be successful in life, how to be flexible, how to be happy, how to be confident, and those are the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so if you make YouTube video about one of those topics, you will get views, get subscribers, and you can grow fast by using this method. So let's choose one of those topics. So for example, I'm gonna choose how to be successful in life, how to be happy. Okay, so let's choose this one, for example, how to be happy. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, make a YouTube script, okay, about how to be happy, and ChatGPT will make a YouTube script about this topic. As you can see, it starts creating our YouTube script. So I'm gonna just stop this script over here to show you guys. This is your title. ChatGPT will give you a title, as you can see, and here you go. What you need to do now is you need to turn this script into voiceover. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's easy. So let's use, for example, just the segment number 1. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part like this. So to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, you can just go to this website, go to 11 Labs. Okay, so search for 11 Labs. It's easy and free website that will turn your YouTube script into voiceover, and of course you can use it for free, as you can see. So this will be your homepage. After you finish your sign up process, scroll down and put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script. Okay, segment 1, understanding happiness. I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna delete this. Okay, here you go. You can also choose over here, you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna just keep using this one. Then scroll down and click on generate, and here you go.
Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that happiness is the key to living a fulfilling life. In today's video,
as you can see, your voiceover will be ready. Okay, just in few seconds. What you need to do is you need to click on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva. Okay, so we'll use Canva to make this YouTube video. Okay, so go to Canva, okay, like this. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Canva. So what you need to do is you just need to click over here on video. Okay, you can see video, click on video, you will be directly in this website over here, in this page over here. What you need to do is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, so just click on upload over here, then click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover.
welcome back to our channel, where we believe that happiness is...
this is my voiceover about happiness. I'm gonna click on open and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover will be under this page over here, and click on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, I'm gonna keep adding. Here you go. So scroll left and go to the first page. Click.
Welcome back to our...
Okay, search. What you need to do next is you need to click on element and search. Click on search for hello. Okay, click on videos and choose one of those videos over here that you can use in your first video. Just okay, let me see. I'm gonna use, for example, this one. So just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points and set the video as background. Make it short. Let me check.
Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that happiness is the key to living a full...
What you need to do next is you need to click on the next page and delete this and search for happiness. Okay, search for happy. Search for happy or happiness, it's the same. I'm gonna search for happy. Click on videos. Okay, search for happy and click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos about happiness. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. So just choose which video you want to use. Click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Set the video as background. Make it short like this. Click on the next page. Add more videos about happiness like this. Make it short. You should make it short to make more videos, so to make your video more engaging. Okay, that's why you should add more videos and make them short. Okay, I'm gonna add this one too. Make it short and keep using this next page. Scroll down, find a video about happiness and use it. It's really easy and simple, as you can see, and you are making videos that people are searching for on YouTube. You can get views from YouTube search, so you don't need to wait for YouTube to start recommending your videos or not. You can just add those videos and make like those videos that people are searching for. If you are using this method that I show you, you can grow fast because you are making videos that people are searching and interested, and they are interested to watch those videos. Okay, make this one short. Okay, like this. Next page, I'm gonna add this one over here. Next page, scroll down, add this one over here. And next page, I will scroll down. You can also search for happiness if you want, like I said. Search for happiness, you can find a lot of videos about happiness. Okay, let's scroll down. You can also control the video from here. You can make it short or you can make it long. For me, I prefer to make it short and add more videos. Next page, scroll down, add this one over here. Okay, and here you go. After you finish adding those videos, go to the first page, click between those 2 pages, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between those videos to make them more engaging. Okay, for me, I'm going to use just this simple transition. I'm gonna make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page, and here you go. You just made faceless YouTube video. So let's check this video and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion.
back to our channel where we believe that happiness is the key to living a fulfilling life. In today's video, we're going to explore practical tips and strategies that can help you discover true happiness and joy. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Understanding happiness. Before we embark on our journey to happiness, it's essential to understand what happiness truly means. Happiness is not a destination, but rather a state of being.
And here you go, guys. I just made faceless YouTube video just by using ChatGPT and Canva and 11 labs. Let me know in the comments what's your opinion about this video that we made about happiness, how to be happy. So after you finish editing your video, you can just click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start uploading faceless YouTube videos to your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, so you can start making money, because YouTube is a profitable business and it's a good business online that you can start. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friend, and see you in my next video.